Using Albert at an ATM is a convenient option for managing your finances on the go. To get started, you need to have an Albert account and a linked debit card. Albert is a financial service that offers a range of features, including budgeting tools, savings options, and investment advice. First, ensure your debit card is linked to your Albert account. This can be done through the Albert mobile app by navigating to the Settings section and selecting the option to link a new account. Once your debit card is linked, you can use it to withdraw cash at an ATM. When using Albert at an ATM, you will need to follow the standard ATM withdrawal process. Insert your debit card, enter your PIN, and select the withdrawal option from the menu. Choose the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. It is essential to note that some ATMs may charge fees for using a non-network ATM. Albert does not charge ATM fees, but the ATM operator may charge a fee. To avoid these fees, use an in-network ATM. Albert has a network of over 55,000 ATMs across the United States that do not charge fees. In addition to using Albert at an ATM, you can also use the mobile app to manage your account, track your spending, and receive financial insights. The app provides a comprehensive overview of your financial situation, including your account balances, transaction history, and budgeting information. Best practices for using Albert at an ATM include keeping your debit card and PIN secure, monitoring your account activity regularly, and being aware of any potential fees associated with using an out-of-network ATM. By following these guidelines and using Albert responsibly, you can enjoy the convenience and flexibility of managing your finances on the go. In conclusion, using Albert at an ATM is a straightforward process that can be completed by linking your debit card to your Albert account and following the standard ATM withdrawal procedure. By understanding the process and taking steps to manage your finances effectively, you can make the most of Albert's features and enjoy a more streamlined financial experience.